afternoon, people. It's package day. Ew.
Love me longer, hold me tighter. Mama told me I'm a fighter, but I see you creeping on me. And these bars are all below me. Love me longer, hold me
We're here, guys. Hey. I'm showing the people I went and got me a beer.
I was totally interested in you.
Yeah. Interested in me?
Yeah.
Modeling?
Like interested in you as in, ooh, she looks good.
Oh, Lord. They from Waynesboro?
No.
Where they from?
She's actually from Ruston.
Get out! Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Jaslyn.
What are you like? Wait, tell them who you are.
I'm Jaslyn, the CEO of Crew Gang. It's a urban unisex streetwear brand.
Okay.
And you can follow it on Instagram at Crew Gang Streetwear.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my
So look, I
goodness.
got a new bag today. The guy from Monroe was selling it on Facebook for $35.
30.
It was a steal, boss.
Yeah, I'm not about to play with this. See, but you need to be buying backgrounds. See, this is where I need to come in and let him know what priority is. What the backgrounds they did.
Michael, you know how old my backpack was?
Well, I don't care what the background is.
Are you gonna do this wedding with me in Baton Rouge?
As long as you don't eat lemon pepper garlic wings. This, he was lighting that car up the whole way to Ruston. Can you let the window down? It'll blow it in my face like even more. And I'm like, oh. Supposed to go slow, Jensky.
How much these bags is?
20.
I want a bag.
You could have bought a bag from her. Tripping. 30 bottles.
Right.
Michael.
This is my song. I didn't know nobody was listening to them.
I am gonna do an unboxing of this product for you guys.
I've got a little void to fill, and you seem to fit the shape quite well. I'm not in love with you, no. I just feel the way love is due. Oh, is it so bad if I am? 'Cause I like you a lot more than I planned. I shouldn't be in love with you, no.
Just hope for the best.
Feel the way love is due. I promise that I don't feel these things at all. I promise that I don't feel a thing. I promise that I don't feel these things at all. Said I promise that I don't feel a thing. I've got a slight dilemma now. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I'm not in love with you, no. I'm just in love with the way it feels. Oh, to be desired by you. Even if these stories aren't true, I fell in love with them, no. Now I feel the way love is due. I promise that I don't feel these things at all. I promise that I don't feel a thing. I promise that I don't feel these things at all. Said I promise that I don't feel a thing. Love is I don't feel a thing. I promise that I